how to download Snapchat on PC without a phone. So first of all, we need to enter our browser and we're gonna search for Snapchat download. Alright, we're gonna wait for a few moments. Okay, and obviously you're gonna click the first option, which is Snapchat. Okay, the first one. So I'm gonna just click on it. I'm gonna wait for a few moments. And here it says get Snapchat for any device, and here you will see two options: log in into the chat, live from actual website like a WhatsApp web, or get it from Microsoft. So I'm gonna just click get it from Microsoft. I'm gonna wait for a few moments. Now as you can see right here, this is the Snapchat on the Microsoft apps. So I'm gonna just click get in apps store app, and I'm gonna just allow to open Microsoft Store. I'm gonna wait for a few moments. And as you can see right here, this is the Snapchat app on the Microsoft app. So I'm gonna wait until the button appears to me. And here, as you can see, I've already downloaded the app. So you're gonna just click the download, and you're gonna wait until it's downloaded. And after it's uploaded, you're gonna just click the open button. You're gonna wait for a few moments. And as you can see, Snapchat has been opened to me. You can just sign in with your account using your email, username, or even phone number, and you can just regularly sign in with your account like a normal Snapchat user. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.